Hi, I'm Preeti, 22MCC0030. My topics boat company. Boat company overview. Boat legal name Imagine Marketing Services Limited is an Indian based company that was incorporated in November 2023. Its history Feb 17 2017 Demonin Margin Media was presented to Boat Group LLC. Feb 17 2017 Boats Group, which includes the leading margin brands of Earth World, Boat Trader, Boats.com, June 1, 2017, Boats.com, Boats Group moved headquarters to Many. April 2023, CEO at Boat Groups. Its product and brands. Both product brands and markets a variety of audio focused consumer electronics, including wireless earbuds, wireless headphones, wireless speakers, home audio equipment, smart watches, and etc. Smartphones. Boat offers a line of smart watches in a variety of fitness models. Wireless headphones. Boat's device to not connect to an audio source via wire or cable. It's such a mobile phone, computer, or system. It is Bluetooth. Boat's headphones draw power of which are indicated into the headphones. Smartwatch. A smartwatch is portable and variable computer device in a form of a watch. Modern smartwatches provide a local touchscreen interface and daily use. Conclusion. It has been 6 years since Boat was founded, and within a little it has been able to capture the world of electronic garbage in a memorizing way. It has established itself as the fifth largest brand of variables in the world and the number one audio earwear brand in India. Thank you.